In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an image to a video in Adobe Express. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open a project where you want to do this, and then you want to go to your page and you want to, of course, get started by clicking on Add Content and then clicking on Generative AI. Now, when you do this, it's going to give you a few options up top. By default, you're going to be on the Image tab. You want to switch over to the Video tab. And then from here, you want to click on Generate Video. And as you can see here, you can kind of resize this to however you want it to be. And then when you do that, on the left here, you can see it says Generate Video. And here you can add a starting image, which means you can go and, of course, convert an image into a video. So I'm going to click on a starting image over here, and I'm going to just upload an image I have. So I'm going to go down here, and I'm actually going to use, for example, let's just use this coloring book over here. I'm going to click on it and click on open. And as you can see, it's a reference image. You can upload images to guide the style of composition of what you create, okay? So over here, I'm going to click on confirm. And there we go. Now, whenever you do this, you can select how you want the camera to move if you want any movement. And then you have to basically type in whatever video you want to create. So this is a coloring book over here. I'm just going to type in the fox from the coloring book comes to life, okay? I'm going to just type it like this, comes to life, runs around, and plays with let's just do toys, okay, whatever. It's going to work for this instant over here because I do have like an image over here, which is a kind of a fox of a coloring book, okay? Now the camera, I'm actually going to leave it as, let's just leave it as basic over here. I'm not going to do too much, okay? I'm gonna keep it static and I'm gonna click on generate. Now it's gonna tell you how many credits this is going to use, so bear that in mind. You'll see your credit usage up top right over here, and you can then just click whenever you are ready, okay? So I'm going to click on generate over here, and as you can see, it's going to start generating. Now, as you can see, this is going to use quite a significant amount of your credits, so make sure you actually know that you're sure you want to create something, and this is going to also take a bit of time to create, so I'll hop back whenever it's done. Okay, so as you can see here, this actually took like less than 20 seconds, and I do have a video created out of my image, the coloring book, which I just uploaded. Down here you can see you can also add audio and stuff like that, but I'm just gonna play this for you now to show you how it works. So if I click on this play button, there we go, it's exactly what I requested. The fox basically of the coloring book comes to life and starts playing around, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. It's super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.